Inumawagete Mobete Ekere abaheshimiwa bali bande babe Onyonga na Donya Abusimba aberegete mubongo akabakambe ibeliganya mache bacha akire ko mobeta bete byara tokire oyimugere muri basi tigana asama hoko Momanjere nwe warning ochiase abaraiba baregaye Omoske Raila Odinga Amanomoske Kalonzo Musyoka Asegesong. Your two excellencies, Honorable Raila Odinga, I bring to your attention, I'm reporting one senator from Kisii County who has gone round insulting our governor. He calls him a chokora. That we brought Simba from Nairobi, he was a street boy, a man who campaigned for him. But here in this constituency, Onyonka has never been seen here. But now is the number one insulting Governor Simba Rat. We bring to your attention, kindly talk to him. He is a seasoned leader, a member of parliament who has served more than 4 terms. We want him to uphold the respect that he has. Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, sir, I know you are a diplomat, a man who is respected across Africa. Please, Honorable Doris Donya Toto, she's insulting our first family in this county. And we don't take it lightly as honorable members of Kisii County. Before we go out and starting to fight, please talk to them so that they tone down, they give Governor Simba time to perform. Abantu baminto, omonta rukalero, agenda aramire, maminabo kaina nyuma. Aso nyunga ni ngaro getu. Ogwene no ane kwende mujayo. Abantu baminto. Anya sawa Masese. Asama skania manene. Tiganda ngeliye omoske Henry Moracha. The leader of majority. I introduce members wao. Abantu baminto na antaya.
Asama reta igongoro kwa Ruth kwa Mkamaubi, HR, kurwa se kampuni yemegondo, ekurukwa engineers, kurwa ya somochi onakuru. Nko bariga ni mwensi asomo yigabo kwenda na title deed weta ni chimia isato oyora abe asomo chomonene onakuru ora abe chitariki 14 umutinyo 12 nko bariga ni mwensi karibu sana.
Engineers Land and Properties Limited, secure your future with us.